Let me ask you something. What if I told you that you don't need to work 10 hours a day, beg for clients, or even leave your house to make $100 a day? Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, it's not only possible, it's already happening. You don't need experience, you don't need to be an expert, and you definitely don't need a huge following. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 lazy but smart ways to make $100 per day online. No fluff, no scams, just real simple income streams that are working right now. And no, this isn't about dropshipping garlic peelers or dancing on TikTok. This is lazy, not embarrassing. Stick around till the end, because method number 5 is a sneaky strategy that most people completely ignore, but it's the one with the most passive income potential. Digital products are one of the best ways to make money while doing almost nothing after setup. You create it once and it keeps selling again and again. What you can make: printable planners, workout trackers, budget templates, affirmation cards, study guides. Don't know how to design? No worries. Use ChatGPT to write content, Canva to design the layout, sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. You can even use templates inside Canva to speed up the process. Let's say you sell a product for $10. Just 10 sales a day equals $100 per day, and once the product is up, you don't touch it again. People are literally selling a morning checklist and making $5,000 a month. Meanwhile, I'm still forgetting to eat breakfast. Use trending seasons, like back to school, New Year, or self-care month, to make themed products that sell better. Don't want to be on camera? Don't want to speak? No problem. With YouTube Shorts, you can post daily videos that go viral without ever showing your face. How it works: use ChatGPT to write a short script, motivational quotes, facts, lessons, tips. Use 11 Labs or TTS Maker to turn text into voice. Use CapCut, Pictory, or Runway to turn it into a short video. Post daily on YouTube. Hot niches: motivation, interesting facts, life hacks, quotes, productivity tips, ways you earn, YouTube Shorts, bonus program, affiliate links in the pinned comment, link to your digital products or services. You're already scrolling for hours every day. Might as well let one of your videos go viral while you're brushing your teeth. Start by uploading 2 to 3 shorts per day for 1 month. The YouTube algorithm will reward consistency fast. This one's perfect if you like being creative, but don't know how to draw. With AI tools, you can create stunning art in minutes and sell it on real products. Use Midjourney, DALL-E, or Leonardo.ai to create cool art. Upload designs to Redbubble, Teespring, Printify, or Etsy. Sell on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters. Best-selling ideas: minimalist art, funny quotes, animal designs, cool patterns, trendy memes. Be careful with copyright. You make $5 to $10 per sale without shipping or customer service. Sell just 10 shirts or mugs per day. There's your $100. I used to think artists needed galleries. Now a 16-year-old with a laptop and AI is selling cat designs to people in 10 countries. Make collections, e.g. 10 matching designs, instead of random uploads. People love buying themed stuff. This one's perfect if you're already watching YouTube or TikTok all day. You can take the best clips, edit them together, and build a brand without making original content. What you do: find viral clips under fair use or with credit. Use YT Cutter or Snaptic to download. Combine 3 to 5 clips into one video using CapCut. Add music, captions, transitions. Post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Niches that go viral: celebrity motivation, best speeches, sports highlights, tech reviews, study motivation. How it makes money: affiliate links in bio, brand deals, shoutouts, selling digital products later. Imagine making money by simply reposting videos you love watching anyway. That's like getting paid to snack. Add voiceovers or text overlays to make it your own. This helps with fair use and builds your unique style. Now, this is the most lazy long game you'll love. Start a blog, let A. I write the posts and earn while people click your links. How to start. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts on topics you enjoy. Use Grammarly or Quillbot to clean them up. Post on Medium, Blogger, or your own free WordPress site. Add affiliate links to products you recommend, Amazon, Canva, Fiverr, etc. Blog topics that work. Best laptops under $500. Top free AI tools for beginners. How to focus while studying. Best side hustles for students. Even if just 5 people click your link and buy per day equals $100, stack up 20 to 30 blogs, you'll get traffic daily without doing anything new. Back then, people kept journals under their pillow. Now you write online and get paid for it. Times have changed. Add 1 new blog per day for a month. After that, the traffic builds slowly but keeps growing even when you stop posting. So there you go. 5 lazy ways to make $100 a day online. These don't need experience, a fancy camera, or a million followers. Just a little action, consistency, and the right tools. Comment below. Which method are you going to try first? Like if you found this helpful, subscribe if you want more real side hustle tips. No fluff, just what actually works. And remember, you don't need to hustle harder. You just need to hustle smarter.